Oh, morning, fellas. Oh dear. Had a little bit of an incident yesterday. This jammy pants fella, he's quite the character. You know, but ran out of gas again for himself. So I forgot I had this old tank of orange stuff. So we're gonna just siphon a little bit of that. I'm gonna drop him off at his car. We gotta go grab the felon and some different things. But you know I'm always going on about the relinks. See, I got one right there. Where is it? Right there. Friggin' awesome. We captured quite the moment. We did. It doesn't make me feel very good even thinking about it. Actually, I'm infected, so that's a positive. The booster cables. Squirrel! For like the first 10 years we were in Inwood, there was no squirrels. They all got bit. Now they're starting to make a comeback. But yeah, relink, ladies and gentlemen. So I have one up there just for experimental. I got to put that one somewhere else, but like I got a one that you plug in with the Wi-Fi wire, with the blue Wi-Fi wire. But of course I don't have blue Wi-Fi wire out in the yard, so we'll put that one out in the yard. Don't blue Wi-Fi wire, and then the blue Wi-Fi wire one there. But yeah, it was right here when I realized that every single thing I own has JP's poop on it. So that's good. I was really it really felt wholesome is what I'm trying to say. It really felt wholesome knowing that that's what we're that I've got this gentleman's feces on me. I touched the handle, right? I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna leave my house. I'm gonna touch the door handle. Well, now I have another man's feces on me, so that's good. Right, I'm a good jabber. Hey, I'm a good blaster. But yeah, like maybe it was like a mating call or something. Maybe, I mean, I'm sure it was just itchy around the ring piece from not showering, but come on, just bare finger. You don't even, oh my God. You don't even attempt to friggin' not do that to me. That's terribly unfortunate that happened. Holy, that's perfectly good working right there.
Just started. What time do you want to leave at?
Oh, as soon as I get some gas here, I'm gonna try to siphon something out of something. So I got other shit to do. I can't be driving around. I'm driving hobos around. Check it out, oh dudes. That's what happened. What happened?
No, I just gotta hit. I got no food, so I gotta hit the food bank and Petroleum. Hit the one in Sarnia too. I gotta go to the office and get smoked something. Grab a cigarette.
Good Lord.
2 days smoking pot.
2 days been smoking butts.
Having the neck fit. You gotta go on town and pick up town.
Yeah. Probably as soon as I get this gas in here and we can go. Did you get my message?
No, my phone's almost dead, so I had to choose
Oh,
my chargers. I just bought a $5 charger at the dollar store, and it's in the car. So. Oh, it's not quite dead, but I just like to keep it charged when I get gas, so I can use my air CA, and because I save 3 cents a liter in that, and air miles things on here.
oh yeah, where's my charger too? I told you to bring it back when you're done.
Oh yeah, I'll bring it back. I just have to, it's around somewhere, so I'll bring it back.
It's around somewhere. Let you use my charger till you bring it back when you're done. Now it's around somewhere?
And I thought you took
That's
it back.
not good. How would I take it back? I gave it to
I'll
you.
give it back then.
Oh my God. But we're taking the car, it's out front. Oh wow, yeah, picking his bum. And are you gonna just keep running out of gas, or what do you
No,
think?
I'm putting, my mom gave me $25.
So how long's that gonna last? You just gonna run it, you drive around to
No,
get
it'll last
$3?
a week, because I get paid this Friday,
So you put $25 in your car, and then
that'll give me
drive
like half a
around,
tank. I gotta go
get
to
$3 worth
I
of
gotta
beer
shower
cans.
too, right? It's almost been a week without a shower
Yeah,
too.
that's
right?
pretty good. So that's
Why do
cool.
you think I'm itching? Because
Yeah,
I
'cause you
haven't
fucking
had a
stink.
shower in almost a week.
Well, you got water, right? You got a rag. You can wash your butthole. You don't need to pick it while you're standing there talking to somebody.
Alright, I put this in and give it back. Make sure you want us.
Oh, just fucking bring it back when you get back.
Alright, thank you.
You got a funnel or whatever?
Yep.
Right
I got
on.
a chair can and I'm back too.
Right
Alright,
on.
thanks a lot.
No worries.
Oh, see
Don't
you
forget
around.
your mitten. Oh, your mitten.
Oh,
Is that your
those are my
mittens?
work gloves. Give me a minute. Give me a sec. Alright, thanks, Chris.
No worries. Smoke cigarettes. Oh, poor guy. He's just ambidextrous, you know? But, I mean, holy shit. What? We got brake system decked and low fuel in this unit too, so holy, we might have to get rescued by Buddy. He'll have to come and bring us gas now. What I was trying to say, but he doesn't, he doesn't have time to listen, is, he's going to put that $25 in his car and then drive around to get a little sack with $3 worth of pop cans in it, or beer cans. But it's crazy, like, you just walk along all these ditches, every road around here is just diabolical. It's just beer cans and beer cans and beer cans and beer cans and beer cans, big time. That's wholesome. Like, every single person on the road is just hammered. Oh, that's perfect. Anyways, I gotta grab the felon and then, yeah, I don't know. I keep wanting to work on the truck, but then I get distracted with other stuff that I like actually have to do, and it's kind of a little bit bullshit. But away she goes, eh? We'll get on the truck sooner or later, I expect. But anyways, JP's got rescued, and we go. Whole bunch of lessons to learn in Inwood today. Holy dude. What?
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi, YouTube.
Hey?
Hi, the whole world.
Yeah. Did you tell him what you did?
Just getting gas.
Just chillaxing. Just chillaxing with a pickled ring piece, eh?
Oh shit! I had to go get my cherry can because I thought you were going into patrol. Yeah,
It's probably best if you
just grab that.
don't do a whole lot of thinking. You know what I mean? You don't seem to be very good at it. I think it's probably your thinker's broken. That's probably what it is. Oh my god. Oh, is this person hitchhiking?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Good lord. Get the fuck out of here. Gonna stop and pick this f***er up or what?
Were you?
No.
He had like a beard and shit.
That guy is just picking him up. There you go.
Oh, you
just
did get picked up?
Yeah. You freaking out?
No.
Oh, I apologize.
I just love the smell gas.
Oh, nice. Holy, we made it. So did you see the evidence I sent you?
Yeah.
You saw it?
I like flatbread.
No, did you see the evidence I sent you? Did you see the evidence?
You want a flatbread pizza?
No, before that. Before that.
Oh yeah.
Show him.
I know, I seen that.
Show him. Put all that shit separated in the cages. And you just put one over there.
But it's all clean. Cleaned up now.
Are you sticking your bum? You don't do that. You do that in the bathroom. Oh my god.
What?
You don't do that.
No, I was
Oh my
just.
god.
I was just. These pants are kind of loose.
I call you PJ or JP or Jammy Pants.
Yeah.
Read what it says. Read the message I sent you.
It comes to my attention that you can't keep your finger out of your bum. This is terribly disappointed as I'm now finding out that you have poop in my mouth, eyes, and all over my Peter because everything you tough now as poop in it. Thank you very much, but I'm gonna have to ask you to refrain from your bare whole finger blasting where your poop comes from now on. Thank you for understanding.
Right? That makes sense?
Yeah.
You don't do that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe you did that right in front of me. No cloth or nothing, just fucking bare asshole, just finger banging. Then touching the door to get out. Oh my god. Yep. Oh dear. Am I gonna have to hold you down and wash your butthole for you?
Yeah, I'm gonna need just a quick boost. I got cables, so.
Oh my god.
Unless you didn't bring your suppose.
No. So you put your fingers in your bum and then put them in your mouth?
No.
Oh, I apologize.
That wasn't my bum though. I was just scratching my pajamas.
Oh.
Two layers on you.
I see. My pajamas get scratchy too. A lot of times. Mostly around, like right in the center. It's really scratchy right in the center. This one?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, see ya.